Hello and welcome to KNN, your number one kids news network. In today's news, many people travel to find the land of far, far, far away because they believe there's a castle there that has loads of treasure. And they found it. The castle is called the House of Dragons. And guess what? There's a dragon guarding the castle. And whoever will be the master of the castle must ride the dragon. Many Vikings and knights try to ride the dragon. But they all failed because the dragon keeps blowing fire at them. But a lady that looked like a knight who no one had seen before came and had a go, and the dragon let her come close enough to stroke him. He even let her ride. So the new master of the House of Dragon is Lady Whitehead, because we don't know her name. An invisible man was seen running around town today. This caused a police chase to find out who this man is and what he was running from. And the police chase ended at the local police station. Apparently it was just a YouTuber who forgot to take off his green screen. And he was only running to get the new FIFA 23 game. If you're a YouTuber, please don't run around in your green screen. What do babies do when people are not watching? This is what we found on the baby monitors. Anywho, apparently they do a lot of dancing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, see you later, bye!